If you want to remove objects from photos on POCO F7, all you have to do is open the gallery. In the gallery, we're gonna open the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now we're gonna go to edit option. So press on this pen icon. And then we're gonna switch to the AI section where we can find the erase tool. Over here we need to press allow and we need to download the erase plugin. So just confirm that you want to do that, wait a couple of seconds, and then once the plugin is downloaded you should be able to of course choose it. So we're gonna tap again. Now over here we can manually remove something by selecting the area. We also have remove objects, so you can circle objects around in order to select them. And of course we also have remove people. So if you go over here, then I believe the phone will try to automatically detect them. I'm gonna use remove objects, so I'm gonna try to draw a shape around this toy car in order to see if we can get rid of it. So it has been highlighted and now I can press start at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, now we are in the process of erasing the selected object, so we need to wait a couple of seconds until it is done. And there we go. Unfortunately, it doesn't look that great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose manual 1 now, and we can paint the area that we wish to get rid of. So I'm gonna select everything over here, and let's see if we can get better results. We're gonna press start again. Of course, you can keep doing that all over again until you are actually satisfied, until everything is completely removed from the photo. And after that, once it is gone, we can press this check in the bottom right corner, and after that we can press save in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.